Hi and welcome to this little video we did. ENPS, you probably know it, you probably use it every day. It's a really perfect NRCS system to help you drive your MOS devices and to help you drive your main TV news. But at this moment you will also get a question to create output for like online news, disaster recovery, the radio news, other outputs besides your main TV news. And then most of the times you will end up trying to use equipment and tools like vMix, singular graphics, stuff that we at Cuez really integrate well with through our automator. But those are not MOS devices, so you cannot use them from ENPS. But we did a thing. Let me show you what we did. This is ENPS which you are seeing. You will know it really well, but in the bottom right you see that we have something going over here. That's what we call blocks. That's our HTML plugin towards ENPS, and you really should consider it as a plugin of plugins, because inside this plugin you can create any block type that you might also know from our Cuez rundown system. Our blocks basically are templates that define what you will be using towards Automator. So you can create a block for a graphic, you can create a block for a video, but you can also create a block for like a live crosstalk, defining everything you would be needing to make a live crosstalk go. When I say this is the plugin of plugins, it means you can have all kinds of different stuff to fill in, like text fields, but also media fields. You can upload media from your MEM systems, you can upload media from a local NAS or from your local hard drive. Any kind of media can also easily be managed by our plugin system. Let me show you. For example, we have like a video block or a graphics block, but again, you define which they might be. You fill in like your name, you fill in the function of the person, and like this, you might have created a first, lower, third. From that moment on, you can drag it to your rundown, in this case to the second row, to this part of the story, and that's it. You now have entered text fields that will later be used in our automator towards, for example, singular graphics. Let's now try to do media. That's in another row maybe. You want to do video. You say, okay, this will be my Hello World video. You will want to add media. Open through what we have inside our blocks interface. You search for the video. For example, I want to do this MXF. You choose it, you can even preview it, but we can grab that as well and say, okay, select this clip, select this media. It is now entered into this block. I can drag this towards, again, ENPS, and now we've got our blocks, our template information, be it for media, be it for graphics, be it for text, be it for the label types where you can have drop-down menus and make choices. That all will be used towards our automator later on and will be useful and be used in our in like vMix or TriCast or singular graphics or Softron on the air video. All those devices are now capable to talk to and be controlled and use rundowns coming from ENPS. These are now MOS objects in that rundown, and our automator is now capable of reading those MOS objects and translating them again to what automator does best. We really want to show you this at IBC, so really looking forward to seeing you at IBC in our booth in Hall 7. See you there.